This 2026 Forest River Salem FSX 290 RTKX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Hewitt, Texas, 76643 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Waco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a ECLIPSE interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.